Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, me and my parents are doing the epoxy flooring, and before that, we're going to take all the dirt out. The first step was to take everything out of the garage. That is all cleared. Next, we're going to push all the dirt out. My dad is using the scrubber, and I'll be using the pressure wash. I'll show you. You have to rub hard for this. This has paint and primer on here because we painted our walls earlier. So we're going to have to clean this really thoroughly because for flooring, it cannot have that, like a lot of dirt. In fact, it should not have any. And you have to let it dry for 24 hours. Then we'll do the next step. I'll show you the next step. The next step is to smoothen the concrete and filler in the cracks over here. The cracks were filled in by the concrete filler, and now we're just smoothing the ground so it's even. Now we're going to keep the epoxy on the floor. Right now, my dad is squeezing the epoxy, and then after that, we're gonna keep it on the floor. We've done every single step before, taking out everything, using the water spray, and sanding on the floor over there. And now we're moving on to the next step, which is keeping the epoxy on the floor. This was the last step, keeping an invisible coating. It's transparent and we have to wait for 48 hours. But this is the end result. So see you next time. Please like and subscribe. Now that this epoxy is done, we have to let this dry for 24 hours. Then we'll move on to the next step. See ya.